Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm back with another series from Beat the Heat. Today we're gonna make this super simple and very easy watermelon sorbet. This is a very refreshing fruit dessert and you just need 3 ingredients to make this dessert. Before we move on, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get more notifications whenever I post a new video. Now let's start cutting the watermelon. First divide it into half and again slice it. Now cut each slices vertically. Now make these slices into cubes. And you have to discard the seeds from the watermelon. And I know it's not possible to discard all the seeds, but try to remove most of them. Once you cut out all the watermelon cubes, take a plate and arrange all the watermelon cubes on it without touching each other. Now once you're done arranging all the watermelon cubes, you have to freeze this plate overnight. After you freeze it, it becomes solid hard like this. Now you have to take all these cubes into a blender. Now add half a lemon, 2 teaspoons of honey and blend it. Add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of warm water in between and blend it again. This is the super smooth, perfect consistency for our sorbet. You can have it right away or you can freeze it and have it later on. So transfer this into a freezer safe container. I'm gonna freeze this for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can take an ice cream scooper and scoop out this watermelon sorbet. Wow, look at the texture. This is the perfect consistency for any sorbet. Instead of watermelon, you can use any fruit to make the sorbet. This is very refreshing and perfect for the summer. So do try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like the recipe. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. You can watch more videos from our channel. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get more notifications. Thank you.